Hey guys, let's go ahead and check our solar system task cards just through this video. What is a group of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity? That would be a galaxy. Earth is the third planet from the sun, my very excellent mother. This question I made a correction on for next year. Which planet has a very thin atmosphere? We learned that it has no atmosphere and gets hot during the day and cold at night. That would be Mercury. It does not have enough mass to hold on to those gases. And it's that atmosphere that allows us to trap some of our heat so it's not so cold at night. What is it called when the moon's shadow travels across part of Earth? That would be a solar eclipse with the umbra and penumbra. What do we call the galaxies and all of their stars? That is the universe. Which planet appears blue? All right, so this is a question that I fixed for next year. So as is, both Uranus and Neptune would be correct due to the presence of methane gas. Which is the only planet to support life? That would be Earth. Which statement is true? The moon revolves around Earth? Check. Earth spins on its axis? Check. Both Earth and the moon revolve around the sun? Check. So, all of the above. What did you call the spinning of Earth on its axis? That is called rotation. And so that is 24 hours to spin one time around on its axis. Which planet has a giant storm on it called the Great Red Spot? That would be Jupiter. Earth is mostly covered by what substance? That is water. Which takes the least amount of time? Earth to revolve once, so that is 365 and a quarter days. Earth to rotate once, that is 24 hours. The moon to revolve once, that is 27.3 days. All take the same amount of time? Nope. Earth rotating once. What is a group of stars that form a pattern in the sky? That is a constellation. And that's pretty fun to go outside and look at the night sky. A lot of our constellations are attached to mythology, if that's something that interests you. What causes tides? Primarily the moon's gravitational pull. What causes day and night? Earth's rotation once on its axis. Seasons are the result of the Earth's tilt on its axis. What is the movement of Earth around the sun? That is a revolution, and that is 365 and 1/4 days. How does the moon get its light? Well, we know that the moon does not create its own light. We see the moon because of the reflection from the sun. What is the asteroid belt mostly made of? So now this is one that I've corrected for next year because we see that we have two answer choices there. Rock and metal appeared both on there. But the asteroid belt actually is ice and rock. The rock and metal, that's going to be in with our meteors. Which is the largest of these three? A galaxy is the largest. What is the imaginary line around with which Earth rotates? That is its axis. What kind of eclipse happens when the sun is obscured by the moon? That is a solar eclipse. From where does the sun rise? The sun rises from the east. When the sun is blank, when the moon is blank, it appears to be getting larger. So that is waxing wax on, growing larger. Name the huge star that begins to use the gases in its core. So this is going to be something that you would have needed to Google. It's a supergiant. What kind of eclipse happens when the moon appears darkened as it passes into Earth's shadow? That is a lunar eclipse. From where does the sun set? The sun sets in the west. What is the largest planet in the solar system? That is Jupiter. All of the planets and other objects that orbit the sun are called solar system. What do you call a collection of rock and ice that travels toward the center of a solar system? That is a comet coming from the Oort cloud. What are chunks of rock and metal from space that fall to Earth? That is a meteorite. So falling to the Earth, they actually strike the Earth. That is a meteorite. What is the most common form of galaxy? That is an elliptical galaxy. So this is just a self-check. No need to submit this as an assignment, just an opportunity for you to see what you remember from this chapter and last chapter. Hope you're having a good day. Bye-bye now.